To create an orthopedic insole, start by entering the client's information. Next, create a new project. It will default to the current year, but you can name it anything you'd like to match your workflow, whether that's the patient's name, a case number, or a specific treatment plan. Inside the project, you can create a new insole and add your 3D scans, 2D images, or pressure images. These files provide the anatomical and biomechanical reference needed to guide your design. To begin designing, click on Design to open the modeling interface. This is where all structural modifications and biomechanical corrections are applied. Here you can start making corrections, including adjusting the shoe size and other foundational parameters to ensure proper fit and alignment within the patient's footwear. You can add structural features such as a lateral flange to increase stability and improve frontal plane control when needed. You can also apply a skive for targeted control and correction, helping redistribute forces and influence rear foot mechanics. The arch apex can be moved distal or proximal to fine-tune support placement beneath the foot. Arch height can be raised or lowered by entering a positive number to increase height or a negative number to decrease it, allowing precise and repeatable customization. Heel lifts can be easily added as needed to address limb length differences or provide additional sagittal plane accommodation. Once the design is complete, move to the printing section to prepare the model for fabrication. Here you can choose the grinding style and adjust material hardness settings to match the desired performance characteristics of the final orthotic. Use the orbit tool to rotate and inspect the insole from every angle before production, confirming contours, corrections, and overall geometry. When you're ready, send the file to the printer. The software will automatically generate the G-code and optimize the toolpath for accurate manufacturing. Your insole is now ready for production.